Hi everyone, so I want to share my project using NBeads.com's items that they had sent to me, and we do have a coupon code with them. It is VAG02, so VAG02, and it saved $5 off of a purchase of $40 or more. So one of the items that I had picked out were these really cute little glass charms right here. So I'm going to show you what I did with these. Now these are really cute to go ahead and add on to like a zipper or onto a bag, like a little strap. You know, you can add these onto anything you like. So let me just share what I put together. So I took these charms that are already set up, as you can see right here. So it already came with the little lobster clasp and the chain and the little glass dangle. So I just went ahead and I added some more little bead charms to kind of just fancy them up right here. So that's what that little Santa looks like. And then I have this little Santa right here. Again, I just added a couple of beads. So I have like this long skinny green seed bead, a couple seed beads here, and a little bell flower right there. And then I have this Christmas tree right here. Again, just adding a couple seed beads. So I just used the chain that came with it already and just added on some more little beads. So that was perfect. I love that it already came set up. You know, it comes with the lobster clasp and the chain already. So it didn't really take much for me to do to, you know, just jazz these up a little bit. So on the little snowman right here, I just added some clear and some white beads. And look at him. I love the dimension on his nose. I just think he is so cute. He is like the best snowman that I've seen out of glass. And here is another one where I just did some white and gold beads on this one. And here is another one. So if you do like a tag, you can use this and go ahead and clip it onto, you know, your ribbon that you hang off of the top of the tag. I would stick that right on there. Or if you're doing a junk journal, go ahead and add this to your junk journal. So I think these came out so cute. So that is my little project share right there. I just think they came out adorable. So I'll compare for you. So you have these right here. So you see how it's plain and it's cute, but just adding those couple little beads just really jazzes it up and makes it look even better. I think they are so cute with just a couple little beads, and it makes it perfect. And like I said, I hung one of these onto the zipper of my purse because I like having like little charms on my purse. So I added one to the zipper, and I've been getting quite a bit of compliments, and it has not broke off. I have my little snowman right here on my purse, and I was kind of worried about his nose getting smashed, but so far so good. So he's been hanging out on there. So yeah, this is my little project share. So I'll go ahead and I'll leave the link to their website down below in the description box. I'll also leave the link to these products right here that I received from them, and I'll also leave the coupon code, so you guys could go ahead and go check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.